New altcoin Rexas Finance RXS climbs higher in Smart Money's 2025 watchlists, Cardano ADA on the rise too. A potential 2025 bull run in the cryptocurrency market causes institutional and retail investors to focus on examining assets featuring strong fundamentals and functional use data. The asset tokenization industry sees RXS by Rexas Finance as its most significant development because of RXS's innovative role in this field. Savvy money investors have started to notice RXS as it develops into one of the leading assets to watch for the upcoming market cycle. Cardano ADA development process continues to build competitive strength, while its research-based approach positions it firmly within the blockchain sector. Both of these tokens, an ambitious newcomer and a quiet builder, are positioning themselves as prominent players in an evolving marketplace increasingly focused on utility, usability, and long-term value. Cardano ADA, steady growth focused on utility. While Rexas dazzles with its meteoric ascent, Cardano lumbers along inexorably toward broader acceptance. Cardano, known for its academic meticulousness and peer-reviewed development process, has often been criticized for being slow. Still, the same caution has allowed it to avoid the problems plaguing every Layer 1 network. Cardano's recent technical upgrades, like scalability and interoperability improvements, have consolidated its market position. At around $0.6205 when writing, ADA has seen a small but steady price rise, supported by rising on-chain activity and developer adoption. Its ecosystem continues to expand, with new decentralized applications and smart contracts going live, solidifying the platform's long-term outlook. Price predictions for Cardano in the next few years are modest but optimistic. ADA is predicted to range between $1.20 and $2.50 by 2026, reflecting the market's caution and confidence in its future. For long-term investors who have been around the block, this steady growth is a less risky bet than the wild volatility of newer, untested tokens. Rexas Finance RXS, bridging the gap to tokenized real-world assets. Rexas Finance has been generating a buzz with its innovative approach to asset ownership. By tokenizing high-value real-world assets like real estate, art, and commodities, Rexas offers fractional ownership through its native token, RXS. This makes previously illiquid investments accessible to everyday users, a feature that sets the project apart in an ocean of purely speculative coins in the marketplace. The current pre-sale process has earned a token value appreciation of 567% while gathering more than $48 million from investors who purchased over 92% of the total available tokens during pre-sale periods. Investor confidence remains high because stakeholders believe the business model will successfully take advantage of the anticipated $30 trillion tokenization market by 2030. June 2025 is also shaping up to be a transformative period for Rexas Finance, as the project will be listed on several Tier 1 exchanges. This will likely increase liquidity and unlock the doors to additional institutional players, particularly those already exploring blockchain-based asset management. A few investors have even gone as far as speculating that RXS will reach an astronomical 100,000% ROI, though such claims are speculative. The hype says a lot about the excitement and optimism with which the project is being met. Currently selling for $0.200 and in stage 12 of its presale phase, Rexas Finance is more than a promising token, it is also a vision for how decentralized finance could be combined with traditional investment markets. Lowering barriers to entry offers a more democratic model of wealth creation, which is increasingly attractive in today's financial landscape. Two distinct paths to prominence. While Rexas Finance and Cardano differ in age, function, and speed, both are compelling options for investors with a 2025 horizon. RXS is appropriate for investors drawn to innovation, tokenization, and early-stage upside. Its relative success thus far in the pre-sale process and near-term exchange listings position it as a candidate for the next crypto cycle. On the other hand, Cardano attracts those who value sustainability, regulatory oversight, and a robust ecosystem. Its methodically created roadmap and consistent upgrade launches also make it a solid asset in the more conservative investor and institutional communities. Conclusion. With the new wave of crypto adoption approaching, investors have moved beyond hype and speculative cycles. Today, they're looking for projects with concrete real-world utility, solid fundamentals, and long-term scalability. Rexas Finance, in this evolving backdrop, isn't just a promising altcoin, it's a blueprint for the future of decentralized investing. With its strong technicals and enterprise uptake, Cardano has a steady market presence, but Rexas Finance is the more aggressive growth play poised to take over one of the most lucrative verticals in Web3. For investors wanting to get in on the ground floor of the next crypto phenomenon, Rexas Finance offers more than promise. It provides a revolution in how the world invests. Please like, comment, share, and follow this channel for more information or updates on news crypto.